Hello everybody, we're going to do lesson 2.4 of Algebra 1, solving multi-step equations. It will be part 1, part 2 and 3 is available here. 2.4 part 1, solving multi-step equations. And we have a 30-point skill sheet here, and then we have a 2-point note-taking guide here. Teachers, here's your bell work for your students. A gnarly little word problem for them to do. Give them 6-7 minutes to do this one and when they come in your classroom. Okay, welcome back. Here's your solution for A. This would be the equation here, or function that you would have to come up with here. And then for B, this is what you would do here. Round your answer to the nearest day. So about 1163 days for the landfill to reach its capacity here. Okay, so 2.4, solving multi-step equations. You saw one-step, two-steppers, so solve a multi-stepper. Solving a linear equation may take more than 2 steps. Start by simplifying one or both sides if possible, then use inverse operations to isolate the variable. So isolating the variable is real crucial in solving equations. We have 8x minus 3x minus 10 equals 20. What do? We combine like terms, so we get this statement here. And then we got to further isolate our variable here, so we got to get rid of this 10 by adding 10. Then we have to do that over here too. And then we get this situation here. Then we divide through by 5. The 5's cancel here. What's 30 divided by 5? And x equals 6, and then we get a check. Solve the equation, check your solution. Students, this is yours here. Check your solution. So we're going to do this one here. What do we do first? We combine like terms, yes? Then we have plus 4 equals 32. So then we need to isolate our D. How do we do that? What do we do here, class? We subtract 4 from both sides. And then we get D equals 4 when we divide through. And then we do our check here. So here is our check. We plug in our 4 here for where our original variable was. And does it check out? It seems like it does check out. So D would equal that situation. So we have a situation here where, how do we solve that? Well, remember order of operations? Doing some steps mentally. Method 2 shows a solution where some steps are done mentally. So method 1 show all steps. Method 2 do some steps. So if you're real smart, you'll do it this way. You'll skip some steps. If you want to be more methodical and take your time, show all steps. So here's your two methods here. Some steps mentally. That's our original. What do we do here? Well, we do our multiplication here, don't we? We do our multiplication through our parentheses here of our multiply 2 through them, then 9x plus 12. Oh, what do we do here? Well, we added these two, then we have this. What's our next step? We subtract 12 from both sides. We get 9x equals 27. What does x equal? The x equals 3. Now showing all steps. We have that, and then we have that. Okay. So good, 9x plus 12. Okay, that's good too. And then we show our subtraction here. Here we just skipped down, didn't we? We skipped down to here, and over here we're showing our subtraction. And then we go to this step, 9x equals 27. And then we divide through. We didn't show that here, did we? We just said, it's 3. But here we're going to show our division here, and then we get x equals 3. So now, solve the equation. Students, this is on you. We're going to do this one right now in guided practice. Okay, so what do we do? How do we get this here? We multiply through by 2 here, and we got negative 2x plus 10 equals 46. Yeah. And I'm going to show you every step here so you don't get confused. And then 4x plus 10 equals 46. Yeah. How do we get to 46? We combine these like terms here. We got that. Yep. And then what do we do after that? Well, how do we get this? How do we get here to here? We subtracted 10 from both sides, yes? So I get 4x equals 36. Yeah, that's how we did it. Yeah. Okay, so and then after that, what do we do? X equals 9, we got that. How do we get 9? Well, we divide both by 4, did we not? Okay, so our check. So we stick in our 9 solution into our original, and it seems like it checks out, doesn't it? Okay, that's part 1 of 2.4. And if you want part 2, and I think there's part 3 too as well, email me for that. Thank you.